Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can integrate Evernote with Trello, making your task management as seamless as possible. First step, you need to be logged into your Trello and Evernote accounts. Why? This is because both platforms need to communicate with each other during the integration process, and being logged in helps establish that connection. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the Trello menu, select Power-Ups, and search for Evernote. The reason we do this is that the Power-Ups section is where Trello houses its integration options, and we want to activate the Evernote integration. Next, click Add on the Evernote Power-Up. This will add Evernote to your Trello board, allowing you to link notes directly to your Trello cards. Let me explain why this matters. This feature is a game changer, as it lets you access relevant notes right from your Trello board, helping you keep track of important details without switching apps. Once you've done that, you'll need to link your Evernote account. Click the gear icon on your Trello board, select Settings, and then Link Evernote Account. This step is crucial, as it gives Trello the permission it needs to access and display your Evernote notes. After this, you'll be able to attach Evernote notes to your Trello cards by simply clicking the Evernote button on a card and selecting the note you want to attach. The reason we do this is to make your notes easily accessible from Trello, so you can keep all your information in one place. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Evernote with Trello. Now you can effortlessly manage your tasks and notes in one place, streamlining your productivity like a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep making the most of your tools.